You want me to explain this Cairngorm architecture once again? Go back to this.
I think we may take him offline because interrupting the session is we can continue with the session.
Okay.
You can catch him offline and you can clarify with him for any questions. We can clear it because we can continue the other part of it.
I think we have time actually for this.
Yeah, it's time, but
No, if
he is clear about the doubt, it might be helpful for others.
okay, sure.
Otherwise, the thing is that you can say it as Cairngorm is like basically a library file or an SW file. How we can just deploy it in Flex code, something like that.
We need some basic.
If it is like this,
it's simply like
theoretical idea.
Yeah.
But what is the use and how are we going to implement in Flex tool?
That's what.
I think that could
Maybe yeah.
Is it possible that we can just show this?
Yes, we can show something. Cairngorm coding set. என்னோட addition coding சின்னதா Twitter architecture provided by Adobe. You can use it as an SWC or you can directly use the code. Okay.
So those things can be downloaded from Adobe.
Yeah, it's free download only. You can download it from Adobe. Okay. Here, this is from bottom to top. Vivo is nothing but your value object. Just open a single file. Scroll down. This is nothing but your object class, which has properties, datas that is going to be handled in your application. Okay. This is nothing but the same as Java value object class. It will be having a set of properties, maybe through getters and setters. So it's good. This is your data object. Okay, you can say. And the second.
For example,
yes.
For example, is that in Bio folder, the
Yes.
folder structure comes.
Folder structure is same. It's same. You have to keep it something. That's what application is segregated in this structure in Cairngorm.
That's my question is, so when I deploy an SWC or library file, I'll be getting this file, or we have to need to write.
No, you will not get this folder structures. You have to create this folder structures. SWC contains the Cairngorm code. That is, if you will be always dispatching a Cairngorm event from your user gestures, which means your custom event must extend Cairngorm event. That Cairngorm event code will be there in your SWC. It is open source. It may be a code or it will be there in SWC. You can do in either way. Okay. So next, go to model. That is your value object is your data object. It's nothing but an object class which has a set of properties that may be called as data. Okay. And the next one is, this is model is your data source. There will be a centralized shop model. Okay. This is your centralized model locator class. You can see from here that it is implemented with singleton design pattern. Okay, your model should be instantiated only once, which means you will not be allowed to change your data structure. Okay, throughout the application, your model locator should be instantiated only once. Okay, the data it holds may get changed in occasions, but this class instance must be only once. So this is singleton design pattern. That is one of the design pattern that is used in Cairngorm architecture. Okay. You may separate model locator into different parts. Not model locator. Model locator will be always same. You can have your, suppose you have for login information, you want to have those username and password into separate files. That may be considered as a separate class. That may be considered as a model class. Suppose you want to provide username and passwords for multi users. You may keep it as a separate file. Which means what I'm trying to mean is, there may be so many class files inside model. Depends upon your application. You may want to have so many data sources. Okay, but model locator, there will be a single model locator in your application. Okay, and that's how they are keeping some of the data they want to show. They are keeping some of the data they want to segregate in different model files. Okay, the same thing that will be applied to this Vivo also. Okay, you may keep so many value object files. Okay, depends upon your data set, data collection. And the third one is view. View will be something, a group of files, group of component files. That is, this is basically UI component files, which will be your display state of whatever the end user views in front of his eyes. That would be there in view. Okay. Control. Now, before that, you have events. Click. You have your custom events again, and I am saying you while using Cairngorm architecture, all the user guesses, all the flexi events must be converted into Cairngorm events in order to travel with the Cairngorm architecture. So you must create custom events which must always extend Cairngorm event. Okay, go to one event. Scope. As you can see, this is filter products event which extends Cairngorm event. Okay, this package COM, ADAM, Cairngorm, this will be either SWC or it will be in folder section. Okay, that's what I was trying to make. You may define your event file as you would like to have, and you may, for this Cairngorm event, there is a property called